Hello. Um, Good evening, everyone. I just want to present my assignment on dimensional modeling technique, EDM, week 2 assignment 2.3. My name is Olayinka Johnson Acknowledge, student of Fusa University. Today's June 12, 2022. I have about 13 slides here. So I'll start with the first question that says, my plan to install first-step dimensional design in Bank of America. As we all know, I said the financial service industry encompasses a wide variety of businesses, including credit card companies, brokerage firm, mortgage provider, and so on and so forth. Bank of America is a financial institution that is full service bank that offers a breadth of products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, mortgage loans, personal loan, credit card, and safe deposit policies. Using the 4 key decisions of Kimball dimensional techniques, I'll go ahead and do the following. Go to slide 3. I'll select the business process. I said these are the normal operational activities of the bank, like taking deposit, granting withdrawals, granting credit card loans, and so on. And the initial goal is to better analyze the bank account. Business users want the ability to slice and dice individual accounts as well as residential household group to which they belong. I'll declare the grade. This is the first step for dimension. I'll declare the grade. This is a pivotal step in dimensional design and establish what facts table we are dealing with. A lot of business decisions will be taken at this session to decide which information need to be severe and which one to use that will help our decision making efforts. Then number 5, I will identify the dimension. Dimension provide direction and gives focus to business. So this is a stage that will decide who, what, why, how, where, and when to do what at a particular time. The dimension table contains descriptive attributes and is sometimes the soul of the data warehouse. And the last of the 4-dimensional process is identifying the facts. Facts are the result from the business processes event and are always numeric. Sometimes it's observable and evident by the outcome. So those are the 4 things I will do. How to handle the basic facts table. Most organizations find these banded attributes values support their routine analytic requirements. However, there are 2 situations in which banded values may be inadequate. First, data mining analysis often requires discrete value rather than fixed band to be effective. Second, a limited number of power analysts may want to analyze the discrete values to determine if the band are appropriate. In this case, you still maintain the banded value, meaning dimension attribute to support consistently to the analytic reporting, but also store the key discrete numeric value as facts in the facts table. So these are these. Yeah, before I go ahead, I want to say, yeah, I have a lot of drawings, but because I want to restrict this PowerPoint presentation to 10 slide, apart from the fact that this is a 13 slide, I have my the first caption as my name, and there's a slide for reference which is not counted, and there's the last slide for thank you. So if you take out those 3 slides, so you have 10 slides effectively. So what I'm saying is that I decided not to put all the diagrams to support all my presentation in this power presentation, or has to be far more than 10 slides, so you can see it in the Word file. I'm going to attach that to the link to this presentation, YouTube video. So insights on OLAP cubes and other alternatives. So my insight is this. So whether you have a data warehouse already in place or you are just researching solution, you are probably aware of the splitting migraines that data warehouse can create for both business analysts and IT departments. If not, take a look at part one of this two-part series, which explains some of the limits of the traditional warehouses designed to support online analytical processing or LAP tools. So with the evolution of in-memory computing tools for interactive data visualization and new types of database management system, DBMS, the business intelligence, that's BI, market is now saturated with alternatives to the OLAP data warehouse. The following alternatives are better than the OLAP cubes. I have two alternatives here, three alternatives here that I suggested that they are better than the OLAP cube. Alternative one is data lakes, alternative two, sorry, alternative two, not one. I wrote one here. Alternative two is HTTP backslash in-memory DBMS. Alternative three, OLAP iPhone style analysis with self-service tool. With self-service tools. Those are alternative two. So these are the alternatives that we have that are far better. So slide 8. Research and this is a research and compare DMS schemas and suggest one showing how it applies to Bank of America. Traditional data warehouse are based on the relational database management system, RDBMS, sorry. Technology that store data in tables. The most familiar example being SQL database. In contrast to the table used in the relational database, the most relational data we find in DBMS are non-relational data stores. Data is loaded into cubic array rather than tables. However, data warehouse generally contains more data than the data cube itself to allow analysts to query down below the most granular dimensions in the cube. Another thing is typically data is too granular or structured for loading to an OLAP could be stored using a relational database to supplement multidimensional analytics in the cube. In other words, a traditional DBMS is for OLAP support both to relational and non-relational data storage. Then the last I have here said generally relations between tables in a data warehouse are defined using a star schema, which organizes data into fact tables and dimension tables to facilitate joint tables via queries. So number 9. So I can see the typical schema for sales record is there. I have a Snowflake design, which I've described. The session has introduced that schema. I continue to go ahead and describe what it is. Then the last is a draft dimensional model for Bank of America. So model deals dimensions and fact tables. So I put everything there. Then the last is my references. And after that, I want to thank everyone that listened to this for your attention. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.